All right, guys, this is my review of the Bella electric skillet. And there's a reason why this is the #1 selling electric skillet on Amazon. And it's because it's an incredible value. And it's also, it honestly, now this has been used a lot. I get it. So, like, you're seeing the use in there. But this has served us really well in this Airbnb we're staying at right now. It's got a very nice design. But what's the point of this? Well, the point is you're now able to do stir fry and maybe steam things or grill things. Even when you don't have access to a stove, all you do is just plug this into the side. You plug the other end into an outlet, and here's all the different settings. Let me just get it back out and show you. So that's the different settings that you have on there. You can adjust by temperature all the way up, or you can just go to keep it warm. But it's super easy to use and great for people who don't have access to a kitchen or maybe just need a separate cooktop to be able to do more grilling or frying or whatever it is. So this comes in handy a lot. And honestly, dude, I highly recommend this.